Here we go, we got the Rimac Nevera. The Lucid Sapphire just did some big burnouts. I did my big burnout. We're ready to run these things down the half mile. I imagine the Rimac is gonna get close to, I don't know, 195 or 200 miles an hour.
Gotta hit 200 and nothing.
I'm going for 200.
More exotic cars.
We got the Lucid lined up. Who you got? Lucid Sapphire Rimac Nevera down the half mile. All right, here we go, half mile. Rimac Nevera versus Lucid Sapphire. That was better. He still got out a little bit though. It's just spinning and hesitating. But I passed him much quicker that time. Saw 210 on the dash. Woo! That is the quickest 210 miles an hour I have ever seen. Yeah, I mean, the surface is not that great, so we're just spinning a lot. Better. He still got out a little bit though. It's just spinning and hesitating. But I passed him much quicker that time. I saw 210 on the dash. 204 miles an hour. 13.8 at 203.97. Now